last day in La Fortuna, we took a chocolate tour at Eden Plantation. Unlike other chocolate tours, this one was incredibly interactive. Not only did we tour the plantation, saw the different types of cacao plants that grow there, learned about each step of the processing of the cacao seeds, and finally, we made our own chocolate bars. Our guide was personable and made the learning experience extremely fun, which in return made our tour very memorable. The plantation itself sits next to a river, making for incredible pictures. Highly recommend this particular chocolate tour in La Fortuna. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes and a light poncho, just in case. The tour guide was well informed and very sociable. The full-day tour was incredible. Our guide and driver, Eric and Edward, were kind, considerate and answered all questions. The scenery was lovely and I learned a great deal of history. I highly recommend this trip. Tour guide Philip was very informative, friendly and made you feel comfortable. He went above and beyond to make our experience unforgettable. Excellent experience, totally worth it. We were lucky and the sky was clear, so we went to the viewpoint and the craters. It was incredible. I enjoyed learning about the history of the volcano and being given time to explore the site on my own. Amazing tour, but tour needs to update their pictures. There hasn't been a lagoon in the crater for many years. The tour guide, Gary, was personable, professional and knowledgeable. The driver, David, did an excellent job. Breathtaking views. Highly recommended. This was the highlight of my visit to Costa Rica. The tour guide was extremely knowledgeable, and was able to give the tour simultaneously in English and Spanish. Even though we had poor weather at the top of the Irazú volcano, we learned a lot about the history and geology, making it an incredible experience despite getting soaked. Our guide, Jose, was excellent. The weather didn't cooperate, so we didn't see the crater, but did walk around the top. He gave us suggestions of what to order at the little cafe as well. Since we didn't get to see the crater, he took us back on a slightly different route that let us see more countryside. He also stopped at a famous empanada shop so that we could order some. His English was excellent, so we all learned a lot about the country and culture.